कितें जालें तें हावसान इज वन मॅटर, बट माय पर्सनल व्यू एक सांगता तुका, कितें आसा तें आमचे मेंबरांक उलोवपाक जाय जाल्यार चान्स दी, उलोवंक दी. मागीर तुमी कितें ना म्हणटा जाल्यार ना म्हणा, तुमी मेजॉरिटीन एगेन्स्ट वोट करतात जाल्यार वोट करात, बट आमकां बेश्टो च्या आनी बटाटवाडे मारपा आनी बटाटवाडे खावपाक धाडलो ना असेंब्लीक. आमकां एक ड्युटी आसा आनी आमचो आमदार विरेश बोरकार म्हणजे कलीग तो असेंब्लीन तेचो पॉयंट काडटा तेन्ना यू हॅव टू गिव अ चान्स टू लिसन टू हिम. यू मे एक्सेप्ट, यू मे नॉट एक्सेप्ट, you may also reject. So even when I was speaking after this on the Romi lipi, CM should have immediately made something. I said, no, I want to talk. You may give a reply at the end. Then, because of insisting, then in Mullah, okay, you speak, Mullah. That is exactly what we wanted for him also. Let him speak. It was not that there was a technical objection which would come, constitutional objection to that coming out. And it's not anti-constitutional, it's not illegal, the resolution which was asking. And we would have all been able to express our views. And we could have also shown that what the Chief Minister was showing was not sufficient to meet what he was asking in his private member resolution. But a chance was never given. And I don't even see that there was any voting on it. I don't know what really happened. It's a very confusing situation because there was no vote. There was no even demand to you to withdraw your resolution. Define national level definition दाखोवपाक CMan फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस दाखयला, तुमी पळयला, एक कोमुनिदाद कायदो दाखयलो. तूं म्हाका एक सांग, बाटां घेवपाक गेलो जाल्यार कोमुनिदाद कायदो दाखयतलो आनी बाट घेतलो, सपोज पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन. दुसरें सक्सेशन लॉ दाखयलो, ते सक्सेशन लॉ म्हणलेलो कोण गोंयकार आशिल्लो तो पुर्तुगेज कायदो ताका लागतलो, इतलेंच. बट इज दीस पर्सन ऑफ गोवन ओरिजीन डेफिनेशन फॉर वॉट ही वॉज सेईंग फॉर प्रोटेक्शन ऑफ गोवन कळ्ळें न्ही. So this is how we would have been able to express all this. We could have been suggestions how we can have a definition. Not just dil na te samte गेले.
Thank you.